Oh, good morning. Okay, it is 6:52 a.m. and I got no sleep last night. Yay, I have insomnia, but it usually doesn't last like the whole night. I drink medicine to sleep. Having my family over for holidays was amazing, loved them, but it messed up my whole schedule. I have to be like strict with me when it comes to my sleeping schedule because if not, it gets really messed up and I feel unproductive because everyone's like awake hours before me and then they go to sleep and I'm still awake. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna fight it the way I know. It is to not sleep at all. So when it comes to a regular time to go to bed, you go. You know, like it's a 9 o'clock, go to bed and have a sleeping schedule back to you. For my experience, that works. Welcome to the section where I have crazy to-do lists, obsessed with them,
Love them.
and I love how often it doesn't work because we have no control over life. That's okay, let's pretend I have for today. I want to clean my room because I have a bunch of clean clothes that needs to go to the wardrobe. I want to do like a face mask, you know, take care of my skin, maybe do my nails, don't know, you know, be a little bit more productive, start editing a video or read something, you know, just be more productive. I'm gonna try to make a man bun. It clears me. Oh, it's gold, it's gold. This is white clay, but it comes ready. It's not like in the powder and you have to mix with water and all of that. I feel like it never works when I try to do like homemade stuff. I got this tube for my walls. Love, love, love Audrey Hepburn and Marilyn Monroe. She's a queen, what can I say? So hello there, I just finished kind of like organize my room, clean the desk, kind of like little things. Wasn't like a big mess, but it was kind of like, you know, I had to take the time and actually do it, and I'm done with that. Really happy with this. I don't even know what time it is. 9:54, and that's pretty much it for now. So I'm washing my clothes now. I slept 2 hours, which was great because I wouldn't be able to stay up all day long. I'm making some coffee so I can survive, but I want to sew the buttons, you know, like this one and in this dress that I bought because it's kind of like falling here. I don't have enough boob for this dress. Anyways, I want to fix those. Look, now it's all okay.
honestly, this is the best I can do because I feel like this is never going to be finished. I need to buy more plants, but oh well. I'm just really happy with my room and how it's looking.
It is the next day. I slept close to 7 hours. I woke up at 6 a.m. so I think it's safe to say that I fixed my sleeping schedule. Well, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time.